Hey friends, if you wish to hide files and folders from Windows search results, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, and this is an excellent thing to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select searching Windows, and then you will notice an option: these folders won't be included when searching your PC. Click on add an excluded folder. Now search for a folder, let's say this one, let's say this n batch one. Select the folder, you have excluded it and all files inside it. And why is this important? This is important to protect privacy of a lot of files and folders on your Windows computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.